Okay, so we are still doing confidence intervals here, and it's a 90% confidence interval, but I believe that we are going to actually calculate the margin of error in Excel. And we did this with the z-value normal distribution too, where all you have to do is put in, let me just show you. Confidence.norm was the one that we used to get the width for the normal, but this time we're going to do confidence.t. And so you're going to have alpha, which is 90%. 100 minus 90 would be 10%, so 0.10. Okay, so 90%, so alpha is 10%, and then our standard deviation and our sample size. So our standard deviation here is 4,505 bottles. So 4,505. And then our sample size, it says that the average beer consumption over 15 randomly selected 7-day cruises. Okay, so 15 is our sample size. All right. Let's see. It does say round to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to take that number and round it to the nearest whole number. And so here is our bottles, 81,336. Yeah, 81,336. So 81, we're going to do 81,336 plus, and then we're going to round it to the nearest whole. So we would get 83,885. Let me make sure I put this in right. 81,836. Okay. And then we're going to do 81,836 minus this. And I need to put my equal. All right. And you get 79,787. What assumptions need to be made about this population? Well, that the population follows the normal distribution. Okay, question 7, you're going to work the same way. Your Excel is going to give you the width of what you need to add and subtract from the mean.